During the grand finals, the competitors have taken on the full Toque experience, visiting working farms and an English wine estate, learning everything there is to know about regenerative farming and understanding the importance of sustainability. They even had time to pick their own asparagus and take in a whistle-stop foodie tour of the iconic Borough Market in London. And all of this unique learning experience played an important role for their main Toque d'Or challenge, creating a fine dining event in Marylebone for Nestlé Professional and their VIP guests. Using the products from the farms they had visited, the competitor chefs had to prepare Judge Louisa Ellis's specially crafted menu, and waiters served cocktails and English wines and enlightened diners with the important full story of farm to fork.
They've done massive justice to what we're doing at farm level.
But now it is awards day, but with just enough time for our finalists to enjoy breakfast in the highest 24-hour restaurant in London, Duck and Waffle. But breakfast won't put off the main event, and the finalists and guests head to Soho House.
Hello and welcome to you all to this seismic event. The crew that have made it through to the final this year are among the best there has ever been. So the first thing we must do is give this magnificent 9 in here a huge drizzle of our finest applause. An incredible week you've all had, an incredible competition this year in 2022. But I'm guessing, as always, it's a mammoth team effort.
Absolutely. It's a team effort from the organizers, the judges, all of the partners, everyone involved. But I would like to especially thank the lecturers and the employers, because it takes a lot of their time and their passion to register and to enter the competitors, to motivate them through this journey. So a really, really special thanks to them. They do it because they know how relevant, how important and Toque d'Or is to those young professionals. So big thank you.
This is definitely an experience that would play and it would impact your future vision, your future ambition. So I really hope we've given you something that you can definitely flourish and progress with. Thank you very much for participating, giving your passion to us. Please enjoy yourself no matter whatever the outcome is. And my personal really big ask, never give up on your passion.
Everybody catch your Simmons. Michael, great to have you here with us. How much have you got out of this week?
Once in a lifetime opportunity, really. The whole team has been absolutely fantastic, and I'll take that away. I'll take friendships for life, really.
The brutal natures of this competition is that one of you has to win the title. You've done amazingly to get here, but Katja, your moment has arrived to reveal our first winner.
The Nestlé Professional Toque d'Or back of house student winner is Samantha Collins from Loughborough College.
Has she always been a standout performer?
Yeah, she's really humble with it as well. She just gets on with it. Everything that we give her, she listens, she goes away, she practices. She'll come up with her own ideas, put her own twist on it, and it's fantastic. What a win.
I would love to travel and learn different culinary aspects in different countries, and then hopefully open my own restaurant and get a Michelin. Hopefully.
I'm up against 2 really good apprentice chefs, and I mean, whatever happens, we've all won just being here, you know. So it was never about us against each other. It was just about the experience for me.
That fist bump might well turn into a punch in a moment or two, but let's live this moment now.
The Nestlé Professional Toque d'Or back of house apprentice winner is James Shuttleworth.
Your mentor, Billy Frost, couldn't be here with us today, but I'm sure you'd like to have a word for him.
Billy Frost is probably one of the best mentors I think in personal what I came across when I moved to Lincoln. He's more focused on like talk to you, going through each stage, even if it takes like 3 or 4 times. So it's definitely one of the best mentors I've worked with since working in kitchens from a young age.
How did you find that in terms of how much it demanded of you, the Nestlé Professional Toque d'Or finals week?
Oh, it definitely pushed me to my limits throughout the whole entire final. I say it was absolutely incredible to see like all different types of faces, all the different contacts that you get to meet as well. It's absolutely incredible.
Another 3 spectacularly talented and driven and ambitious finalists. But Katja, for the final time, please reveal who has won this last Nestlé Professional Toque d'Or trophy of 2022.
The Nestle Professional Toque Front of House student winner is Sarah Humphrey, City of Glasgow College.
She likes to keep things on track and is quite a powerful presence during a service. Is that what you've experienced as well?
100%. I think it comes from her passion for hospitality, and I think that's so important. I can't teach you that. So I think that's really what it stems from, and I'm just so proud of you.
How does the Nestle Professional Toque d'Or competition stack up with all the other ones you've done?
Coming here to the grand finals, going to all the farms, you're seeing everything right there before it's put on the plate, and so you really do get the full story, which I think as front of house is essential to be able to tell to the customers, and you can really take them on the journey with you.
You are all brilliant to have made it to the finals of Nestle Professional Toque d'Or. You are driven, you are ambitious, you want to go places. So can we give all our finalists a massive round of applause?
People I talk to still believe Toque d'Or is one of the most relevant and important competitions in the industry.
Supporting this competition is so important for us, giving students and apprentices a real opportunity to learn, to be mentored, to learn about sustainability, have a fantastic experience and really develop their career.
Next time, the Toque d'Or winners enjoy the foodie trip of a lifetime in Dubai. And they build on their food knowledge when they head to the World Chefs Congress and Expo in Abu Dhabi. This is no ordinary competition.